Guys, Vinny with Enriquez Group. Okay, these are 10 things you must factor in when you're preparing your property to get it sold. Next one is clean the carpets and the floors. Now, sometimes a simple, basically cleaning of the floors, the carpets, is gonna make a world of difference, right? So, I mean, you can get a professional cleaner for a couple $100. If you can't get a professional cleaner, do it yourself. There's so many YouTube videos out there where you can look at the carpet, you can look at the bathroom, but a deep clean is gonna make a world of difference. The next one is pest problems. In California, that's termite clearance. Now, yes, not all loans need termite clearance. Okay? That's a misconception out there. There's some loans that, yes, they do need it, and there's some loans that basically, if it's written into the offer, yes, the lender is going to need it. There's other loans that don't need it. So take a look at the property. You might want to give basically a termite report beforehand, or hold off until you get into escrow so you can kind of see if there's dry rot or not. But that might be something kind of a judgment thing right there.